If you can't crack this test, I don't say you don't have much logical thinking and reasonable thinking, this reasoning, but if you crack it, it will be easier for you.
And from what I see your score, like you performed like really well in that admission test. So like actually how was this test? Because like many people who want to like join, they want to know how is this test actually that you give at the start.
Yeah, actually, many people call me, around 10 to 15 people call me. Even yesterday, I was talking to someone from Jaipur, I think. He asked me about the EdYoda, this course test and all assessment. I told him that's good and everything. The assessment went like it's as usual, like I said kind of thing. Seriously, you have to take the test for this to make the coding, analytical thinking or logical thinking, aptitude. They are apt for.
So like
If
anyone
you don't have, anyone can take. If you can't crack this test, I don't say you don't have much logical thinking and reasonable thinking, this reasoning, but if you crack it, it will be easier for you, so that you can assess yourself. Okay, I can fit in programming up to this much, so I have to stretch myself to get more. So even the candidate can assess himself.
So okay, you did the admission. After that, you got into the program, and during the program, you were working as well as studying.
Yes.
Right. So like the studying part, as you told, like how does the actual like procedure work, like the live session, and is there like some doubt session or something?
Yeah. At the end of every session, there will be around 15 to 20 minutes of doubt session for everyone. If there are more queries, the tutor will stay till your doubts are cleared. It's not about the time.
And like suppose,
even though we had some more doubts, we can message him on Teams. Yeah, they will reply. No issue with your queries and doubts.
If someone has very simple doubt also, we can ask nothing, like we can't ask like that.
No, even now I can ask what is a variable is. That's not about the doubt, but how you are involved in it.
Okay. If I ask you like top 3 things that you liked about the program journey at EdYoda, what will it be?
First, the structure of the program, like schedule and the timings, like an average working person can learn at 7 to 9, because most of the people work from 9 to 6, like what I say, marketing people and all. Okay, and they have a huge chance of learning from 7 to 9. And the best part is the way the portal is created, like you are updating your portal. Earlier I didn't see the placements tab at the left side, but now I can see them. And post that now at which stage we are in, like code, is it a coding round, or is it an essay, or it's not shortlisted, or it's rejected. The way EdYoda is developing itself, right? I love it.
Great. That's great. So I was actually coming to this placement part only because that is the main thing people want to know. How do they actually get placed? So what is like the placement journey? How does it work at EdYoda?
Actually, it worked as Mrinal told me at the first itself. Okay? Many companies don't adhere to what they say. Okay, as Mrinal said, after the first 3 months itself, they allowed us to apply for jobs. If we crack them itself, we can get a IT job. Okay, and then there are different groups for certified, uncertified, alumni also.
And like how much time did it actually take from starting the placement to finally getting placed?
No one can say about it, right? What the part of EdYoda is to get the jobs and to forward candidature to the company. It depends. Sometimes it depends on the HR of the company. They might be busy, or they might be all looking to some other work of them. Okay, mostly 15 days.
And where like enough jobs were there?
Yeah, irrespective of whatever, like I am a data science student, right? Even I am allowed to apply for the Java, because if I know Java, I can apply for it. Okay, being a data science student, whenever if the company requests Python, I can apply. An SQL, I can apply. As a Power BI developer, I can apply. or data visual for data visualization, any other kinds, I can apply. It's not about what we learn, but what we have. The EdYoda refers. See, if the guy is from marketing or MBA, worthy, we say worthy, right? Like the money we give, that's the, is it the worth or not? Or simply ROI, okay, return on investment. Okay, if you want return on investment, you want more return on investment, join EdYoda.